One of the things that sets Centene apart is our commitment to our mission. Transforming the health of the communities we serve that are filled with some of America's most vulnerable people requires innovation, creative problem solving, and one of the best ways to get talent that is charged and ready to roll against that bold mission is through our universities. Our internship program is part of an evergreen pipeline of bringing new, innovative talent that's incredibly diverse into our Centene.
An intern that starts here at Centene is going to have 12 weeks of really experiential learning.
I'm helping the people who most need my help, and I'm reaching the people who most need me.
Every single step that I take, someone is there to help me. And it's not just my people leader or my mentor, it's anyone on the team that's open to having those conversations, even leadership.
We're working in a remote environment, so it is really important to start off every conversation with, hey, how's it going? Trying to make those connections, which then we can build upon when we have in-person events.
I've been working towards this for 2 years. So in healthcare, medicine, in IT, project management, I'm exactly where I want to be. So this is exactly what I want to be doing.
It's nice with this internship that I get to work with both the interns and kind of the university relations team to do the intern activities, but also get to work towards my more meaningful work in the signature projects with my full-time employee team. I'm doing actual meaningful work and other people are there to help me.
It's really great to watch them bloom and develop over the 12 weeks. We build them, develop them, give them practical skills, and prep them for a career with us in the future.
When we get our hands on our extraordinary class of interns, we will do anything we can to make sure that we create an environment and an experience for them that becomes part of their professional repertoire.
We get a lot of value out of the interns. They produce real work while they're here, and they make contributions and come up with ideas that we may implement long after their internship is over. We also want to have a pipeline of talent that we can create opportunities for.
I would say the number one thing that we ask of our interns is that they bring their authentic selves, their lived experiences here.
I feel like I've made more connections at this company than I ever could have possibly imagined.
I feel like everyone is very open to help and to hear you out, and they want to hear your feedback. This program management is taking it to the next level for me. I just love it here.
At Centene, our internship program is built on the foundation of our 5 pillars: diversity, equity, inclusion, and belonging, leaving your mark, navigating Centene, intentional networking, and professional development.
Send an application, reach out to UR, reach out to your HR teams. There's plenty of people on LinkedIn. They all want to chat with you and they're all so nice.